right, this is round 2. My beard has grown, but my love for the beard oil has stayed the same. Badger beard oil. I like it. I don't have a lot of experience with a ton of beard oils. I'm kind of new to the beard game. Last time I did a little video, it was about a third this size. It's getting bigger. What I will say is I don't even use this every day, but I do like to use it every couple of days. Really, I just use it whenever I think about it. And what I like most about it is as you wash your face and as you shampoo, it just strips the beard of oil. And this just puts it all back in. I still love that smell though. What is it called? Bergamot? Bergamot and vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. But I also like the fact that like it doesn't, I mean, it looks healthier, but it doesn't just like feel oily. I like it. So I'm really happy with it. So anyway, I just work it in like that. Probably I'm doing it every 2 days or so. And I love it. So there you go. Hope that helps.